Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about how you find the inverse of a matrix. And the hard part for finding the inverse of a matrix is remembering all the steps. So here we go. Step number one, we're going to find the determinant because we have to decide right off the bat if this thing even has an inverse. So that's the very first step, is you have to do the determinant. Then we're going to do the step where we invert the matrix. So we're going to invert this matrix, and step number 3 is to take the inverted matrix and divide it by the determinant. So it's good that we find this determinant already off the bat, because we're going to have to take it at the end and divide it by the determinant. So I'm going to take this matrix, and how I find the determinant is you take the A term times the D term. So you take A times D and you minus it by B times C. So I'm just going to do that real quick, which will give me negative 11 minus a negative 10. And negative 11 minus negative 10 gives me a negative 1. So now I know the determinant is negative 1. So we found the first step, and we know that this has an inverse matrix because this was not 0. So this thing wasn't 0, so we're good. So now we're going to invert the matrix. And how you invert the matrix is you flip the A term and the D term, and you take the opposite of the B term and the C term. So the inverted matrix should be negative 1, 11, positive 5, negative 2. So now we've found the determinant, we've inverted the matrix, and so our last step we have to do is we have to divide everything by the determinant. And the nice part for us for this example is the determinant is negative 1. So really all it's going to do is switch the signs of the things on the inside. So this should be 1, this will be negative 5, this will be 2, and this will be negative 11. And this final thing is my inverse matrix. Without any one of these 3 steps, I can't find the inverse of this matrix. So I need all of them. So what I'm going to have you do is try the inverse problems and see if you can invert the following 5 matrices.